For quick, easy, and long-lasting seals around tubs, showers, and kitchen and bathroom sinks, don't redo it, just renew it. Designed for ease of use to dramatically simplify sealing, Renew is a specialty silicone product from GE, America's #1 silicone brand. It quickly applies directly on top of existing silicone sealant for beautiful, long-lasting results and a 100% waterproof seal in minutes. And the best part, it really is as quick and easy as 1, 2, 3. Just prep, apply, and admire. First, clean the area around the existing silicone sealant and make sure it's free of any grease, dust, or moisture. Next, apply Renew with our easy-to-use self-tooling cartridge or squeeze tube. For the cartridge, unscrew the self-tooling nozzle, cut the nub, replace the nozzle, load Renew into a caulk gun. Position the applicator at a 90-degree angle and apply over the existing seal so that the edges of the nozzle have full contact with both surfaces. Or, for quicker touch-ups, use the squeeze tube and apply Renew with the self-tooling nozzle. See, I told you it was easy. Now that you're finished applying a beautiful new 100% waterproof seal, all that's left to do is sit back and admire. So remember, next time, don't redo it, just renew it. Your silicone like new in minutes.